Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to another episode of the How-To series with Sunrise Basmati rice. Today's video I'm going to talk about the storing of rice. They come in 2 kgs, 1 kg and 5 kg. You can actually store the rice in the pack itself in a cool, dry place, basically in your cupboard. Now what I want to tell you today is that you need to store it in an airtight container, because doing it like this and then storing it in the cupboard will not help, because what will happen, chances are that pests, especially like weevils, will actually get into the pack of rice. They can even come from other cereals that you probably have. You probably have beans in the house. They may have some weevils. They will probably get into the rice, and that's what you do not want. So the first thing you need to do whenever you have leftover rice, you've cooked your rice. So instead of storing it in a pack, put it in an airtight container. Also, rice is really sensitive to moisture. You can actually store it in a cupboard, but it can be a damp cupboard where maybe there's some moisture in the air. Rice actually sucks up the moisture, and what will happen, rice can easily start clumping up into small balls, which can easily form molds. Another thing I need to point out is that if you're buying a pack of rice, either 1 kg or 2 kg or 5 kg, make sure you have enough container that would fit whatever would be left over. You're not going to cook the whole pack of rice, so that's really important to note. And like I said, because you're storing in an airtight container, always also make sure you actually cover it. Don't leave it open, because again it will spoil the purpose of actually storing in an airtight container. Just make sure it's tightly closed and then put it away from direct sunlight. And that's how you store your Sunrise Basmati rice.